Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Asana for task management, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Asana website and sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up, log in to your Asana dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on the plus button to create a new project. Choose a project template or start from scratch by selecting blank project. Name your project something relevant and easy to remember. Next, set your project to either list view or board view based on your preference. To add tasks, click on the Add Task button within your project. Enter a name for each task and press Enter to save. You can click on the task to add more details, such as due dates and assignees. Use the description field to provide additional context if needed. If you want to create subtasks, open a task and click on the Add Subtask option. To prioritize tasks, you can drag and drop them within your project. For collaboration, invite team members by clicking on Share at the top right corner. Once they accept the invitation, you can assign tasks to them directly. To track progress, use the status feature to update the team on where things stand. Additionally, utilize the built-in calendars to keep track of due dates. You can filter tasks by due dates, assignees, or project stages for better organization. To keep everything on track, set reminders to notify you of upcoming deadlines. Finally, explore Asana's integrations with other tools you may be using for even better efficiency. With these steps, you are now equipped to use Asana for effective task management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.